In this episode, we are going to learn the 33rd strategy. The name of the strategy is sow discord among the enemy, use double agent. Welcome to subscribe to the 36 Stratagems channel, comment or send us an email and you will get an ebook about 36 stratagems on sale. Undermine your enemy's ability to fight by secretly causing discord between him and his friends, allies, advisors, family, commanders, soldiers, and population. While he is preoccupied settling internal disputes, his ability to attack or defend is compromised. An ignorant child is innocent and naive. As long as you play along with their characteristics and entertain them, you can easily manipulate them and get them to obey you. If someone is harmed, it is usually due to some external force they are unable to resist. By exploiting this common knowledge, one can harm themselves, but if they can make it seem real and convince their enemies, they can execute a divide and conquer stratagem. This is similar to deceiving a child, deceiving the enemy to manipulate them to our advantage. The use of spies to spread false intelligence for the purpose of sowing division is a stratagem commonly employed. Spies are individuals who create suspicion and mistrust among the enemy forces, while counterintelligence involves using enemy spies to sow dissension among their own ranks. In the stratagem of planting doubts within their suspicions, false intelligence is spread using enemy spies embedded within our own ranks. By doing so, we undermine the enemy's confidence and gain support from within their own forces. This approach avoids direct confrontation and minimizes the risk of failure, as it leverages the enemy's own trust in their spies. Counterintelligence involves turning enemy spies to our advantage. This can be achieved by utilizing the information obtained from infiltrating enemy spies or through bribery. We can either use them directly for our benefit or intentionally leak false information for them to carry back to confuse the enemy's perception and disrupt their understanding of our true situation. However, it is important to note that bribing enemy spies may not always be a foolproof stratagem. If we can buy them with a large sum of money, chances are they can also be bought by others at an even higher price, making us susceptible to deception and manipulation. To manipulate enemy spies for our own advantage is a stratagem known as using the enemy's own tactics against them. Enemy spies are sent to gather intelligence and set traps for us. In response, we use the traps set by the enemy to further confuse them. This tactic involves using the enemy's own agents to deceive themselves, using their own resources against them. Many spies are motivated by financial gain, and they will serve whoever pays them the most. If we can offer a more enticing offer than the enemy, the spy may choose to work for us instead. Therefore, the primary method of manipulating enemy spies is through generous bribes. We can also pretend to be unaware and intentionally leak false information to them, turning the enemy's spies to our advantage. Another approach is to sow discord and create conflicts among enemy ranks, creating divisions and destroying their unity, turning them against each other. If the enemy remains united, they become a formidable force that is difficult to defeat. Therefore, the goal of division and manipulation is to fundamentally separate the enemy at a psychological level. By turning the traps set by the enemy against them, we are employing the stratagem of using the enemy's own tactics against them. Simply put, it means using the enemy's own agents to confuse themselves, causing self-inflicted harm. It is akin to using the enemy's own hand to smack themselves in the face, inflicting damage onto themselves. In the next episode, we will start the 34th strategy. If you want to listen, please subscribe to this channel and you won't get lost.